And here's a tape box like the American History X. And was burned on July 31st, 2000. I'm going to watch this one. Yeah, this looks kind of damaged right here.
Favorite stars, your favorite films, now yours to own from Warner Home Video. Hang with the pros and play the ultimate contact sport. He's changing the play. Just does what he likes. Make me a believer! In Academy Award winner Oliver Stone's Any Given Sunday, collector's edition VHS loaded with extras. Discover what fate brings you.
Here's which one of us is next.
What, your guy now? When you try to cheat death in Final Destination. Experience the new American dream with Ben Affleck.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the smile on my face. Ear to ear, baby.
In the Wall Street thriller Boiler Room. Watch 10 lives.
I do want to get those soon. I do want to get Any Given Sunday. I do want to get Magnolia soon.
That's the way it is. Digitally remastered with never-before-seen footage. And get these other star-filled movies, some at new low prices.
How about some payback big time?
When you buy any 3 Spotlight videos, you'll get 1 free, plus over $1,400 in savings on movies, music, travel, and more. You know their names.
I do have those.
Now own them forever. The Warner Spotlight Collection, now on sale.
I'll see you soon.
Where can you get the latest, hottest, and coolest word on what's new? Get online at Newline's eBuzz and sign up for your exclusive eBuzz Now, your direct line to Newline.
And now, our feature presentation.
This is a modified virtual version. It's been formatted for your TV by the Classification Naming Administration, www.filmreads.com.